We are a global team with colleagues, partners, and customers all over the world. Brew sets the soft furnishing textile industry standard for innovation in operations, digitization of our business, and hybrid working. The Brew family DNA is felt throughout the organization. Our team is diverse, and jointly our vision is to passionately explore better ways of doing business together and make a difference. Brew is an innovative company with a passion for selling fabrics in over 100 countries. Digital is at the forefront of what we do and resides in every domain of our business, from customer services, our fully automated warehouse and logistics, to sales and marketing, 3D visualization, and finance. Data is king, and digitization is the future. And we have remained curious in our pursuit of digital growth and enhancements. It is this curious nature that drives us forward. Together, as one. Developing partnerships with our global tech powerhouses, heroing our digital fabric twins and our advancements made in digital sampling, actively helping to build the metaverse and showcasing our photorealistic high-quality digital fabric twins. Brew is a company with a marathon vision. We are aware our success is closely linked to the success of our people. To realize that, we are always investing in the growth of our team members.
For the past 2 years, we've been innovating our web platform in Brew, and we've been trying to integrate a lot of latest technology, which is really surprising for a textile company. Working with a lot of new technologies that are being used in the tech industry, integrated with the textile industry, that's actually a really interesting part because we get to use a lot of this in our projects, and that's what's making me grow right now.
I would say there are two sides to it. The technical side, picking up the Amazon cloud technology, developing, using it. And then there's the soft skills side of it, where I've become the team coach, where I'm helping my team improve their performance. And how Brew helped me with that, I would say they provided both the training, the time for me to improve on these things, and also they've provided the mentorship. One of the things that we're doing is we are rendering hundreds of thousands of renders, and we are doing this in a big scale. And one of the challenges that we had is to actually scale this operation. And that's actually the reason that took us to use cloud technologies. As a developer, that's what we do. We automate things, right? You take something that is a manual process, a tedious, laborious process, and you find the way to make it automatic, to make it as seamless as possible. When you see this happening in real time, when you see the renderers, then you know that you're achieving your goal, your purpose, so to speak.
I started at Brew 15 years ago as a junior developer, and I grew into a more leading role. So yeah, that's definitely growth for myself. Brew has been supporting me definitely by giving the opportunities to learn through trainings, through internal guidance and mentorship. Brew is one of the market leaders in what we do in the world, so I think it's always nice to work for a company like that.
Brew is such an interesting mixture of different nationalities and cultures that it creates such a nice environment. It's like a small representation of the world, and I'm part of it.
Personally, I like working at Brew because it's actually taught me to empower myself, to step out of my comfort zone more, because I want to raise the bar for myself all the time. So I think it's been a very good alignment to what I want from life and my personality, but it's also taught me resilience. A Brew is someone who is always up for a new challenge, so ready to jump in, ready to help and learn and to get involved and problem solve, to innovate. We also have a pretty awesome culture. We laugh a lot, we have a lot of fun, we love what we do. So I think when you love what you do and you have great colleagues, then of course it makes the whole experience fun and enjoyable.
My colleagues are on the bleeding edge of technology. They understand how to create digital textures and put those in beautiful environments. And they've challenged themselves to grow in what has been 2.5, 3 years now into something that is at the bleeding technical edge of things. And I think that's always been the core and ethos of a Brew colleague.
And we build lifelong relationships.
What I like about working at Brew is the positive change we're always trying to do. So whether that's sustainability or digital transformation, we're trying to do something new and different in the industry.
What makes a Brew? Brews are fun, they're witty, they're very clever, they're technical, they're geeky, they're sometimes nerds. But I work with a very inspired bunch of individuals who actually really get to the core of problem solving and really do want to work together as a team to solve whatever problem it is they're facing.
I would say they are generous people. They are friendly, supportive. They are dedicated. They are passionate about their job, and they always go the extra mile. These are a group of clever people working hard every day. But I would say Brew is a great company to work for. It's challenging, but at the same time rewarding and friendly.
Every day there are new challenges for which we create solutions, and as well, Brew is like a big family, you know, our colleagues working together.
The fact that they see you for the person that you are and they try to connect directly to you.
The most inspiring part of my job is the multicultural aspect of things and who I get to work with, the teams and the people. So really for me, I find the people in the business inside of Brew a main source of inspiration.
If you want a team that you can grow within, a supportive team that gives you that environment where you can experiment and try new things, with also a lot of knowledge and foundational information to experiment and learn in, I think then that's a really good reason to join our team. Brew has always taught me also to build really strong relationships, and I think that's also the foundation of all of our business relationships with our customers and our partners and our suppliers. So that relationship, that is our trust basis.
We aim to be a forever company by remaining an industry leader in textiles and with a responsible sustainability strategy. Team spirit and entrepreneurship is in our veins, with the customer at the heart of everything we do. We are heads on, hands on, hearts on, and always curious. We are Brew. We are looking for you. Would you like to join our team?